How's it going, everybody? So, before you get into this video, I just want to let you know this trip was actually cut short uh, due to the fact that I wasn't even enjoying myself, to be honest, and I had some other things I needed that came up I had to take care of. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by.
Got a thumb on the roadside, old pack full of lopsided dreams. Riding tailgates, rusted rides, chasing cracks in the seams. Cuts on his hands from the fences, dirt on his teeth when he smiles. Every mile marker feels like exile. He's a backyard hiker slipping through the pine.
Well, good morning, everybody. It is about 7:30-ish. I've already had my cup of coffee. I've cleaned up everything, and I think I might give it a shout out here. Um, also, I'm thinking about, I don't know, I got to get some food too, but we'll see how that goes. I mean, I've got food for morning. I've got some Pop Tarts and some, what else? Oatmeal instant. So yeah, I think I'm gonna give fishing a shot. I was thinking about cleaning up in the lake. I don't know yet. We'll see how that goes. All right. So this is gonna be anyway, day number one complete. Slept in the Silver Bullet. All right, wasn't bad. Slept solid most of the night. All right, catch you on the flip.
Well, what is up, everybody? It's day two. I found a spot. Problem is, just like every other spot that I've been looking at so far, it's the same story. Um, you may or may not be able to hear the buzzing around my one ear. Uh, Mosquitoes and flies are terrible. I know we might be getting some rain tonight. And the other thing I have is there's no place for me to get one. No place for me to hang a hammock. So looks like I will be sleeping in the car once again. I have to put the screen and everything up and go from there, and hopefully nobody will see me or find me. But we'll see how it goes. All right, I'm gonna get settled in and let you all go. All right, peace.
Heidi diddly-o, everybody. How's it going? So, they said there was supposed to be some rain in the area. And I just checked the weather map. It's going to be missing me all the way. Oh my gosh. I am so bummed. I wish I could find two trees. Just two trees. Give me two friggin' trees to hang up a hammock. I do not want to sleep in this car. Again, I've realized I spoiled myself with my backyard. The way it's set up and everything is just like, oh. So after tonight, I'm probably gonna end up going home and sleeping at home or in my hammock or something. Yesterday before I left home, my back was bothering me, probably due to the weather, and I took medication. And today it's the same thing. It's bothering me again. Trying to find a spot to camp. And then sleeping in here, no, it's not completely set up. Sleeping in here didn't help it either. So it's going to be the same thing. Besides, I want to go home. I think I'm ready for an actual shower, get cleaned up, because I'm looking kind of rough here. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just my kids are at camp, and I'm gonna go there to see them tomorrow before I go home. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut this one short. Hey, at least I made it more than 2 years ago. 2 years ago, I made it one, and I was done. This time, gonna be night number 2. Bugs this year are terrible for sure. I mean, I was walking the trail and to possibly find a spot, and I was just getting bombarded and bitten and everything. So where I'm at now is basically where the shooting range is. I don't know if anybody's going to come by. It doesn't look like anybody's been in this spot since maybe the 4th of July. So I guess we'll see. All right. I'll keep you updated and we'll see what happens. All right. Peace.
What is going on, everybody? It's been about 2 hours since I checked in. I've been sitting in the car the whole time, turning it on and off every now and again for some air. It's just miserable today compared to yesterday. I don't know if it's because I don't have an actual campsite or if I'm just trying to, you know, but depending on where I walk, um, like the mosquitoes and the black flies are just like bombarding me. And, it's just my shirt folded. So I'm gonna get out for a few. I don't know, maybe you'll see what I'm talking about. And then the humidity doesn't help. But it also doesn't help that there's no wind. It might rain. It might not rain. I don't know what is going on. Oh, wait a minute. I just found something interesting. Oh, this looks like it was supposed to be a campsite-ish. But again, there's no place for me to put my hammock. I mean, I could put it here to here. You know, you got the fire pit there. Oops, sorry. Yeah, this would have been a cool spot. Let's take a walk down and take a gander. This is what I'm talking about. Ooh, get one on the back of my neck. I don't know if I really want to try and go down there. Because, oops, sorry about the smacking because mosquitoes are trying to get into my ear. And I'm wearing flip-flops. And let's take a peek. What do you think? This trail is not even groomed. Nobody really walks down it. Taking a chance. Oh, little bridge. Oh, that would have sucked. Oh, yeah, I'm getting. Yeah, this is like the end. There's supposed to be more trail, but yeah, it's supposed to be more trail, but it's nowhere to be found. So I'm heading back. Get out of this crap. Oh, this sucks. All right. I'll catch you guys later. Cause damn, this is the way it's been on every trail that I've even attempted to walk on. And typically, mosquitoes and everything don't bug me too bad, but here it's just terrible. Absolutely terrible. Sucks. All right. I'll see you guys later.
So, isn't this a change of events? As you can tell, I'm using my flashlight. It has definitely gotten darker out, and thunder is starting to roll in. So, I don't know. Weather app says one thing, but Mama Nature is telling me a whole different thing. Not only that, my phone fell, broke a charging cord, and a charger. Today is not going nowhere near as I would hoped. So I'm still chilling in the car after being out and about, showing you all what it's actually like out on the trail. And that was what I experienced on every trail that I went down to try and find two trees for my hammock. I'll be back with you. I don't know what's going to happen. We'll see what's going on. But again, there's like no wind going on, and now I've got the car open. So see, there's that, and over there, and over there. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Day 2 of my camping adventure. Ay ay ay. Okay, I'll see you guys. Bye.
Yo, so what's up? Uh, uh, as you can tell, I got a towel here. I have the soap in the back. Yeah, I know. Stop it. Uh, I didn't take an actual bath or shower yesterday. Um, I'm sitting here just chilling, thinking I need to get clean. So guess what? I was outside with a bar of soap washing. Why? Oh, because it was a provision. It was, oh, wait a minute. Here you go. Why don't you do this? Oh, okay. Thank you. Thunder, lightning. I don't. Okay, so anyway, yeah. I just cleaned up very minimally. What bank beaters would say um, I don't know, even know. Anyway, I had to get clean. I smell better. I feel better. Ah, thank you. Lightning and thunder don't bother me an iota. Like I said, I've been sitting in here for the last 45, was it 45 minutes to almost an hour with rain coming down, and I'm like, I need to get clean. I just got clean, and I didn't have to pay for it. Oh, it felt so good. Rain beat down on me with soap and everything else. I'm just like, oh, thank you. Thank you. You provided for me. Thank you. All right, everybody. I'm going to check on out of here. Peace. What is up, everybody? Well, I made it through another night. I've changed. I showered last night. I'm actually on my way to a special location to see Jimmy Boy. Yes, he texted me saying that he's going live. I'm beating feet over there now so I can do a live collab with him. All right, I'll see y'all later. Peace.